So guys, we are going to be using these beans for this Abacha-Akidi recipe. This is Akidi, the Enugu people Akidi. If you are an Enugu person and you're watching this video, can you please tell me if I'm right? Okay? Yeah, this is the Enugu Akidi. Yes. You know, we have different species of Akidi, but people don't know. We have the brown Akidi, we have the white Akidi, and then we have this very one. Honestly, guys, Igbo people have food. Oh. Ndi Igbo, ekene mono. Ndi Igbo, ekene mono. Igbo people are wonderful. We have food. For real, we have food. The Americans call these black beans. We call it Akidi. You guys, I'm going to show you the delicious abacha I'm going to be making with this Akidi. So guys, stay tuned and see what this is going to come out to look like. I'm going to wash it up right now, just the normal way you wash normal beans. It's all in the family of beans, okay? But today we are doing this with abacha. I have a beautiful abacha recipe that is coming out soon. Watch out for that video. Okay, so I'll wash this up and I'll let it start cooking while I prep other stuff. Stay tuned, guys. So from Enugu, people call the white beans fio fio. There is a beans they call fio fio. There's another beans my people call wodudu. If you know these beans, let me know in that comment section. So guys, we are using abacha mmiri, which is tapioca in English language. Next is my ogiri. Yes, this is one of the major ingredients for this recipe. So I'll be adding some okporoko to this. It is your choice not to add. Okay, but I'm adding okporoko. I'm going to be adding pomo, which is called kanda. We are going to be using utazi. You have fresh utazi, go ahead and use it. Here is our Cameroon pepper. You can add dried pepper, you can add fresh pepper, depending on what choice of pepper you like. We are going to be using crayfish as well for this Abacha-Akidi. So guys, let's get right into this video. For my Abacha-Akidi, I have palm oil in this pot. You can use akamu if that is what you like to use. Akamu is called potash, but I don't like to use potash. Yes, I have experience with potash, so I don't use potash. So this is ungo. I'm going to add this. So this is the ncha. Very, very, very important. This is an important part in this very, very Abacha-Akidi recipe. This is the most important part of it. So I'm going to mix this and mix this. At this point, guys, do not add anything like salt or Maggi. Not at this point. See how thick it is? This is the thick. Now we call this oil paste. Okay, this is oil paste. This is the base for this abacha. Whatever abacha. Isiewu, nkwabi, whatsoever you want to go on. If you make sure that you don't add no to this ncha at this point. Do not add no. Do not add no salt. That is what we call nu. Igbo molomo. Thank you. I love Igbos too much because we have a lot of food. We have wonderful, wonderful, wonderful meals. So see how it's looking. I just want you to see this properly. Yes, this is what you want to achieve. I think I have ungo somewhere in one of my videos. I'll show you ungo. In case you're wondering what is ungo. Ungo is made from the palm front head. Yes, the head of that palm front. You burn it up and make use of the arches. That is what we call ungo. So mix this until it is well incorporated, and then we'll add the next item. Next you want to add here is your pepper. Mix. We are craving for this evening, and so we decided to make this our dinner, and everybody is looking forward to this. It's usually very delicious. So I'll add some dried pepper as well, like the red one. I will add ehuru. If you have ehuru, go ahead and add. If you do not have, don't bother yourself. Just do with the crayfish and those peppers. Yeah, and enjoy this delicacy. At this point, I'm going to add my ogiri. This food is not for little children. It's senior men's food. Find out about this food. For the Igbos, this is food for traditional marriages, for big wedding occasions, like big celebrations like New Yam festivals, you know, like huge traditional occasions. That is where you find this sort of recipes. I'm not kidding you guys, and it's usually very delicious and very healthy, very nutritional, very. So guys, I'm going to start adding my abacha to this ncha. If you have the big ones, go ahead. If you have the small sizes, you can still use either of them. This is a very delicious delicacy. This is a delicacy, Igbo delicacy. Yes, very delicious. Yes, we're going to add these beans. The black beans. Hey, guys, don't try this food, though. Don't try this recipe, oh. Can you see? This is so good, for real. You can't get this in Walmart, in Kroger's, in Publix, in Sam's Club. No! When I tell my friends this thing, they will, I don't know how they feel sometimes. Oh my goodness. They say, oh, Miss A, you want to make this? You want to let me taste? Oh my God. Our food is so delicious. Igbo has food, for real. It's your choice at this point to add okporoko if you like. My friend will call it okporoko. My friend will say okporoko. Okay guys, so if you want to add extra stuffs at this point, you want to, you know, like chop in your fresh peppers. If you like to add fresh peppers, at this point you can go ahead and add. I'm going to add my stockfish like so. This is because of my husband actually. And then I'll add my kanda. At this point guys, you can see I haven't added no salt. I'm being very careful because ogiri alone has a very delicious sweetness that you don't know where it comes from, you know. And then the beans itself is very delicious. I added a little bit of salt when I was cooking the beans, the black beans, so you don't want to over salt it. And look at how beautiful it came. You don't want to over salt it, guys. So here is this beautiful delicacy, Abacha-Akidi. I'm going to show you another recipe very soon. We have a lot of food, a lot of Nigerian delicacy, guys. Try this. Let me know what you think in the comment section. This one is hand. We usually used to eat it. Man, black beans is really good and healthy. People don't know. Very nutritional. You can now add your utazi leaf. I want it to be that traditional meal, yeah. I don't want to add any other thing but utazi leaf, even though I don't have like fresh utazi. Yeah. But this is it for this delicacy. If you want more peppers, you go ahead and add. So our hand, we used to eat this. So. Guys, try this recipe. Oh. Very good, very healthy. So guys, you can decide to garnish it like I'm doing, just for presentation's sake. If you have angara as well, you want to add, just go ahead and add and make it beautiful for your family. You know, a little touches here and there will make that food look so fantabulous. Guys, look at how delicious this meal is looking. This is a very delicious recipe. You want to try this for your family, for your party, for your traditional marriage, all of those beautiful occasions. This is how we serve it. This is how we get it done in Nigeria. Enugu people has this. Owerri people have this. My people have this. I'm from Ehime Bano. This is delicious. When my mother takes me to the market, sometimes when I travel, she gets me this. The big Japon mini with akidi. It's usually fantastic. Try this, guys. You will love it. You guys, give me 100% for this amazing recipe. Good thing. Did I not try? My Enugu brothers and sisters, please give me thumbs up, massive thumbs up, guys. Press on that notification bell for more wonderful recipes like this. Yeah. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Ciao, ciao. See you in my next video. Bye bye. See you soon.